My name's Dianne Detwiler. I'm the Director of Electrode Sales and the Product Manager for Black Refractories. I have a degree in ceramic engineering, just like my dad. The steelmaking process is hot and it's intense. Ceramics and graphite are a critical part of that process. I have a passion for problem solving and finding the perfect product for our customers' applications. We offer RP, HP, SHP, and UHP quality electrodes, up to 28 inches in diameter. All of our electrodes meet NEMA specifications and utilize UHP connecting pins, which uses 100% Japanese imported needle coke. Our graphite electrodes are made using top quality materials in state-of-the-art facilities. As a result, our electrodes have the best properties. Our team of engineers will help you to determine the best product for your furnace.